This is the barbed wire fence that separates man from the animals.
I'm enjoying this day at the zoo.
What is that?
Ew, gross.
Is that its hair?
Oh my god, that's so gross. What's wrong with that thing?
Ew. Do you see that?
Ew, is that its butt?
Ah, that's nasty.
Oh god.
What's wrong with it?
Oh, look at his hair. It's fur.
Everywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
Dang it.
Oh, what if you touched it? That'd be so gross.
Oh my goodness.
Poke it with the stick.
Yes. Oh, I can't.
Did you see?
Soft.
It just like exploded in goo.
Oh, that's so nasty. Oh, what a terrible animal. Look how ugly it is. Let's go.
I can't even look at it.